Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Binance account with NFT. First, prepare your Binance account by completing verification and enabling API or wallet features you need. Next, choose a wallet compatible with the NFT marketplace and confirm the network is supported. Finally, link the wallet in Binance or the marketplace, authorize connections, and test a small transfer to confirm everything works smoothly before moving larger assets. In this video, I will explain how to connect a Binance account with NFT. Start by completing KYC and enabling two-factor authentication to secure your account. Check which networks and token standards the NFT marketplace supports and ensure your wallet matches those requirements. Fund your account with a small amount for gas fees and test transfers. Confirm email and device approvals, and keep backup keys safe to avoid losing access to your digital collectibles. In this video, I will explain how to connect a Binance account with NFT. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent while you manage NFTs on the go. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more clear tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to connect a Binance account with NFT. Use a trusted wallet such as MetaMask or a hardware wallet and verify it supports the marketplace network. When connecting, review permissions carefully and avoid giving blanket approvals. Match contract addresses and gas settings before confirming any transaction. Test with a small transfer to validate the process, and store private keys or seed phrases offline in a secure location to protect your collectibles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.